Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Agri Quiz. So today we will discuss some of the important questions of soil science. So let's start right now. The first question is, what is the category of igneous rock? And the options are granite rocks, basalt, both A and B, or quartz. And the correct answer is C, that is both A and B, both granite rocks and basalt. Then question number 2. What is the category of sedimentary rock? And the options are limestone, sandstone, dolomite, or all of the above. And the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. Limestone, sandstone, and dolomite, all of the above included in sedimentary rock. The next question is question number 3. Organic soil should have, the options are at least 20%, at least 15%, at least 25%, or at least 30%. And the correct answer is A, that is at least 20%. Organic soil should have at least 20%. Then moving forward to the next question, question number 4. 1:1 type of mineral is known as, the correct answer is D, that is kaolinite. Then question number 5. Volume of soil include which of the following? Solid and liquid, liquid and sponge, solid and air, or solid and pores? And the correct answer is D, that is solid and pores. Then question number 6. Soil horizon is which of the following? Parallel to soil surface, above the soil surface, below the soil surface, or all of the above? And the correct answer is A, that is parallel to soil surface. Okay, then black soils are generally poor in calcium, potash, phosphoric contents, or lime. And the correct answer is C, that is phosphoric contents. Then question number 8. Which is true about black cotton soil? And the options are, it is also known as regular soil, it respond it respond well to irrigation, it is vulnerable to wind and water erosion, rich in humus, and has high clay content. Above all of the options, that is only 1, 2, and 3 are true, only 1, 2, and 5 are true, only 3, 4, 5 are true, or only 1, 2, 3, and 4 are true. And the correct answer is, B. That is only 1, 2, and 5 are true. That means 1, 2, and 5. These three are true. These three statements are true. That is, it is also known as regular soil. It is respond well to irrigation, and also it has high clay content. Okay. Then question number 9. Which true about alluvial soil of India? And the statements are, alluvial soil have been deposited by Indus, the Ganges, and Kaveri rivers in northern plains. It is very fertile, ideal for wheat and paddy. And the last one is, it has inadequate portion of line. And the options are 1, 2 and 3 are true, 2 and 3 are true, 2, 3 and 4 are true, and or all of these are true. And the correct answer is B. That is 2 and 3 are true. That means for alluvial soil of India, the statements are true, 2 and 3 are true. That is it is very fertile and ideal for wheat and paddy. These two statements are true for alluvial soil of India. Then moving forward to the next question. That is question number 10. Red lateral soils are ideal for which crop growing? The options are almond, amla, bear or cashew nut. And the correct answer is D. That is cashew nut. Cashew nut is grown well in red lateral soil. Then question number 11. Who denotes which of the following? Dominant spectrum, lightness or brightness, purity or intensity? And the correct answer is A. Who denotes for dominant spectrum. Then question number 12. Which, Catleys, Catina and Calic all comes under which of the following? Vertiols, alphizoles, spodozoles or antizoles? And the correct answer is B. That is alphizoles. Then question number 13. Which fertilizer produces acidity in soil? And the options are ammonium sulfate, sodium nitrate, calcium ammonium nitrate or calcium nitrate. And the correct answer is A. That is ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate generally produce acidity in soil. Then moving forward to the next question. That is question number 14. Maximum nitrogen content found in N fertilizer is which one? And the correct answer is B. Anhydrous ammonia. Then question number 15. Rock phosphate has P2O5 and the percentage is 10 to 20%, 20 to 40%, 30 to 50%, 20 to 30%. And the correct answer is B. That is, it consists of 20 to 40%. Rock phosphate has P2O5, that is 20 to 40%. Okay. Then 16. Question number 16 is soils have high specific gravity and the options are black soil, laterite soil, mountain soil or alluvial soil. From the following options, the correct answer is D. That is alluvial soil. Alluvial soils have high specific gravity. Then question number 17. The phenomenon Schleikenside found in which soil? And the options are inceptisol, vertisol, xylitol, spodosol. And the correct answer is B. That is vertisol. Then question number 18. Which organic fraction not soluble in both acid and alkali? And the correct answer is C. That is humin. Humin organic fraction is not soluble in both acid and alkali. Okay. Then question number 19. In Monsell color chart, who 10 represents are which of the following color? Red, black, grey or yellow? And the correct answer is yellow. And the last question is question number 20. PF scale for field capacity is which of the following? 2, 2.5, 3.5 or 4.5? And the correct answer is B. That is 2.5. So that's all, and thank you all of you.